So the question is that the solubility of BaSO4 in water is 2.42 into 10 to the power 3 gram per liter at 298 K, and the value of its solubility product will be. We are given with the molar mass of BaSO4 233 grams per mole. So let's see. The solubility S is 2.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram per liter. Clearly S is 2.42. Converting it into moles per liter, dividing it by 33 grams per mole, which is the mass. We get 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 5 moles per liter. Now the KSP solubility product of BaSO4 is Ba2 plus and SO4 minus S into S, which is 1.04 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole square, and we get 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 10 moles square per liter square. So clearly option B is the answer, 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 10 moles square per liter square.